Vlogmas day 4, you guys. Finally got a Christmas tree up. Don't mind the stuff in the background. It's all my fun stuff. With the exception of this year's fashionable mannequin. That will be, or was a part of the online boutique. Don't mind me and my ugliness. Usually this tree flashes. I just don't mind me and my ugliness. You guys don't even see me. That's why I was thinking, like, wait a minute, you can't even see me, but I look a mess right now, so I'm gonna just like let you guys see the Christmas tree for a bit. It has its cute little colors. And I have to, you know what, let me come back because my son is getting into stuff, so hey, what's up, you guys? So it's Vlogmas day 4. I put in a clip earlier, I think, starting off my Vlogmas, showing you guys my Christmas tree, which is right here. This was from last night when I actually showed you guys, but today is day 4 for Vlogmas. Today, I'm not doing much at all. I've had, oh, okay, they're cutting grass. I've had 2 boring vlogs that have been posted, so, no, hold on a second. Sorry, y'all, I may have heard that. Hear that. He's up here blow drying, or not blow drying. Use a little wind blower thingy to like blow off, I guess, leaves from the top of our balcony or whatever. So that's strange. But I've had a boring vlog for the past 2 vlogs, so you guys are like, yeah, no. But tomorrow I have a better and much more busier day because I'm gonna take my son to go to the dentist. He's gonna get those teeth cleaned and brushed. What? Ooh, yeah. But you guys will probably see this vlog of me being in my house yet again. I might insert a clip of me doing something else. But, yeah, so he has an appointment tomorrow to go to the dentist, which if I have enough, or if I'm able to film that, then you guys will definitely see that. And also on Thursday, which that'll probably be more of an eventful vlog as well, he has another appointment. So we'll get his hearing checked out, which he can hear, but see, my son is not really speaking. He says it's ABCs and his 1, 2, 3s, but it's just like not as clear. So I wanted to see if there was maybe like a hearing trigger for that, because I just didn't know what was going on. I made this appointment a couple of months ago, like maybe in August or something. So, but I made the appointment like a couple of weeks ago, but my initial time for making this appointment was back in August. I'm like, he'll be 2 in a couple of months, and he's not really saying much, and I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I mean, I know he can hear me. So I say, TJ, he looks at me like, Mama, okay, I know I'm finna get into something. He's super duper bad. Like right now, he's trying to stop it. No. Let me get his tablet. Let me get your tablet, because you tripping. He's tripping. I need to really wash some clothes today, since I'm not doing anything. So you guys may see me like do like a little cleanup vlog or something. Cleanup vlog. How kiddish. Here. But yeah, so while he's doing that, I'm going here and talk to y'all. I'll probably just talk to you guys today and just kind of see what is tea. We'll give you guys what's tea. Hopefully, if you guys can hear me with all, like, why is he up here like doing this? It doesn't take all of that. Like, this is so annoying. It doesn't take all of that. But anywho, I figured out my perfect little vlogging section. I don't know why I can't talk today. Right here where it's like a little bit of sunlight, but not too much. So I have been doing some research on cakes and stuff, like what kind of cake I want my baby to have for his 2nd birthday, because like I said, last year was a Mickey Mouse themed birthday, and this year it'll probably be like a, I don't know the theme. I'm not gonna probably have a theme for him. I'm just gonna have like some balloons and all that good stuff, because I mean, his 1st birthday, we got to go all out. It's epic. 2nd birthday, pretty much, but like I want to really go out when he gets older, so that way he can memorize the things that we're doing for him for his birthday. And I got to start putting gifts up under this Christmas tree. Like this weekend is when I'm going to actually start doing that, so it can start looking cute. I mean, I feel like Christmas is just for the kids anyway, so he'll be good. Then I have to I have so much stuff to do, but I'm not doing anything. Like, my weeks aren't, like, this week it was just filled with appointments, but next week I'm actually going to be out and doing much more stuff. So I know y'all like, girl, you don't ever do nothing. I know I don't. I'm always in the house, literally. No cap. But, and I mean, I don't know. I don't, and if I do go out, I feel like every time I'm out, my son, he has to have my phone because that's, you know, what keeps him calm. He has his tablet, but that's just like Wi-Fi based. And some places we go, I'm sorry, I'm walking around in circles. Let me get my life together. Some places we go doesn't really have Wi-Fi, especially definitely not in the car. So I'll give him my phone for that, but not really in the car because we have music playing. So he just likes to chill in the back seat and do stuff like that. So yeah, but I'm gonna go and do his appointment tomorrow. Today's just a chill day. So yeah, nothing to do today. Yet again, I have had 3 days of like nothing to do. But like I said, tomorrow will be better. Dentist appointments tomorrow. The next day I'll be doing absolutely nothing again. And then the following day he has his appointment. So yeah. Maybe I don't know what I'm gonna do. I need to wash some clothes, like I was saying. So maybe like I'll prop you guys up so you guys can watch me put clothes in the washing machine. Washer machine that we have, and it's Samsung make and model, and it's so cute. And here's the dryer that we have, also Samsung. It's a multi-steam moisture sensor. Got these bad boys not even maybe 2 months ago, probably just about two and a half, 3 months ago. So yeah, I'm gonna get these clothes and I'll come. Oh, sorry, I can't have you guys like that. I'm gonna get these clothes and I'll come right back to show you guys what I'm doing. Dirty clothes. These dirty, just absolutely dirty. How do you guys wash your jeans? You touch yours inside out. I think I put mine inside out. I don't know why. I think my dad told me to do that a long time ago. Keeps the color or something. He was saying, child, I don't know, but that's just how I wash mine. I just gotta check my pockets, but sometimes I have a tendency to forget that I have stuff in my pockets. Be looking crazy when I be like, oh my god, my stuff got washed. Ugh, crazy. Now when I get done washing these clothes, when I do my son's, he gotta get himself some towels and some other little clothes and stuff washed. Washing clothes. Wash your mother loving clothes on day 4. You already know. Miley, what's good? Oh, I'm just fine. I'm gonna cut that out. Oh, receipt from Walmart. Of course. Doing laundry on day 4. 'Cause you already know. I think that's in there. This going on up in here. I'm gonna make some little music. Oh, my back hurts. Push it till it clicks. Watch this, y'all. I love it. Okay, I could do a normal wash, heavy duty. I like heavy duty to make sure my clothes getting all that good stuff. Alright? So you have your little icons right here. You have a pause and a start. Like let's say you want to put some more clothes or take some out, you can pause, you can start it. So I did mine for can you guys see that, for heavy duty. So it's going to be about an hour and 30 minutes. I did mine heavy duty. I'm out of breath. I didn't do nothing. I really out of breath, but I'm always out of breath. I don't even be doing nothing. That's how you know I'm fat. I know I'm fat, y'all. Putting no clothes in the dryer. Good. Good. Because I hate having people clothes in the dryer, y'all. Where's this receipt from? I'll see you tomorrow, day 5. Let's get it. Peace out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all tomorrow for day 5.